Hi! In front of me is HUAWEI P60 Pro, and today I would like to show you how you can connect it using Bluetooth. First of all, go into Settings. Now click on Bluetooth section and click on this switcher if it's not already on in order to activate it. Now wait for available devices to show after selecting Allow in the pop-up. Finally, tap on the one that you wish to connect to. In my case, this one. Lastly, click on Pair in the pop-up and wait for the other device to do the same. As you can see, my devices were successfully connected. If you want to disconnect them, tap on this gear next to the device and hit Unpair at the bottom. You can always connect to the same one by tapping on it and selecting Pair again. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, smash that like button, comment and subscribe. Bye!